In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete all empty folders on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on File Manager right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Browse. Proceed to My Phone. Then here you go. So at this point here, you have all folders in your Android phone right here. How can you find some of the empty folder? Just open each of the folder right here. So I'm going to open this folder. You see, this is an empty folder right here. Go back. Then check on this folder here. This is another empty folder right here. So you just need to be sure and check as many as possible different empty folder. Let me check on this. And this is another empty folder right here. Okay, now for you to permanently delete them, select them one after the other. So I'm going to check on the trash bin folder. There is nothing inside. So click and hold down, select as many as possible empty folder right here. Once you select, click on this delete right here, and this is going to pop up. Click on delete. After successful delete, click on here to go back. The next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and click on recently delete. Then here you go. Now go ahead and click on hold down again, select all. Then go ahead and click on delete right here. Delete the selected 3 files permanently. Go ahead and click on delete. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.